Hey YouTube, I will be giving a commentary over what I did in the gym today. It was a chest, shoulders, tricep workout. I would have explained it live in the video, but unfortunately my gym plays music and is very loud. Sorry for that, but let's jump right in. Right now I am building my way to my 90% one rep max. As you can see, I started off light to get those muscles nice and warm. I'm making sure that my whole warm up is under 20 reps in total so I don't burn myself out for my actual working sets. Obviously, not including just the bar sets. The reason why I am working my way to 90% is because I want to prepare my muscles to dish out more energy so when I am ready to do my working sets, my body is prepared to lift 385 pounds, but really I'll only be doing 315 for my sets. It's almost like a way to trick your body. So right here I'm doing 315 for close grip bench, working the upper chest. It is a 3x6. Here I'm doing seated dumbbell shoulder press. I like to stop at 90 degrees. It works for me. I don't like to go past 90 because I feel like it's a higher risk of injury. Here I'm doing the good old pet deck, trying not to, trying to get a good squeeze and engage my chest as much as possible. Here I'm doing dumbbell lateral raises, trying not to go past my shoulders, really trying to stay level with them. I know some people like to go above their shoulders, but I don't feel like it's necessary. And I ended the workout with some tricep action, really trying to pump up those tricep muscles as much as possible here. That's going to do it for this video. If you liked the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to help me grow as a content creator. Also, if you're interested in Clash Royale, I like to play Clash Royale for fun. I have some videos here if you are interested. But other than that, stay safe out there. Bye.